Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to draft a 3-part corset. Okay, so depending on whatever measurement you want the upper part to be, you can use anything actually, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'll be marking 1.5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to go right ahead and mark out the 1.5 inches all through. I already drafted my corset pattern earlier, so I'm just marking out the 1.5 inches as you can see. Okay, just take your time and measure it correctly. Once you're done measuring the 1.5 inches, you take your multi-purpose curve ruler and join the lines. By the time you are done joining these lines, it should be similar to the original lines on the upper part of the corset. The yoke part, you can see that there is a line that was already formed, the sweetheart neckline. Okay, so the lines joint should be similar to that as well. I'm going to take my marker and trace out the line so that you can see it properly and clearly. If you are just joining this channel for the very first time, kindly like, comment and please subscribe guys. Now that you are done marking the lines, please know that this first and second part will be joined into one by closing these darts. We'll be closing the darts with a paper tape. Okay, so once you are done cutting it out, be closing the darts with a paper tape. Closing it up will automatically take it to just one, and then you have the other two parts at the lower part. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to take my scissors and cut out the pattern so that you can see what the 3-part corset looks like exactly. So I'm just cutting out the pattern following the marked out line. Now one very important thing is to label your corset part. So I labeled the lower part A and B, and then the upper part that will be joined to one labeled as A1 and B1, as you can see. Now I'll go ahead to cut out the cup part of the corset. Okay, so just watch me cutting it out, making sure that I follow the line that I marked out initially. This is really very important. Now I'm taking off the darts on the cup area. Okay, once I'm done taking out the dart on the cup area, I'm going to cut out the A1 and B1 parts that will make the third part of the corset. Okay, so I'm joining it together with my paper tape, and it's really very easy guys. You now have your 3-part corset pattern. Can you see? And that's all. So easy. You can also take it back into the 2-part corset. Can you see? Just join it back together. And that's it guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found this tutorial helpful. Share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Bye.